Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Call Me Maybe on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the four core chords you'll need: G, D, M, and C. These are super common and easy to learn. Focus on getting a clear sound from each string and practice switching between them slowly. Don't worry if it feels a bit awkward at first. Consistency is key to building muscle memory. We'll have you strumming along in no time. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern for Call Me Maybe. The main pattern is a simple down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your wrist loose and relaxed as you strum. We'll apply this pattern to the chord progression we just learned. Remember, a steady rhythm makes all the difference, so use a metronome if you have one. Practice slowly until the pattern feels natural and smooth. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together by looking at the song structure. Call Me Maybe primarily uses a repeating four-chord progression: G, D, M, and C. You'll play this sequence for both the verse and the chorus. Each chord typically lasts for one measure, or 4 beats, with the strumming pattern fitting neatly within that. This simple repetition makes the song very accessible for beginners. To truly master Call Me Maybe, consistent practice is essential. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes each day. Once you're comfortable with the chords and strumming, try singing along to the song. This helps with timing and overall musicality. Don't be afraid to experiment with slight variations in your strumming to make it your own. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this catchy tune confidently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.